To make an e-signature in Canva, let's click on this plus sign and go over to photo editor. From the photo editor here, we're going to click on upload to grab your signature. This signature I signed on a white paper. So you take a plain white sheet and sign your signature on it and take a screenshot of that signature. That's what I brought into this place. And I'm going to click on create design. From here, I'm going to take out the background of this signature. So our signature is without a background. Now you want to come to adjust here and also adjust this signature, and you want to scroll down after it's done auto adjusting and go to the blacks and tune that in. And I want to tone this one down. I'll pull in the saturation to be high, brightness high, also contrast. You just play around with these settings to see how your signature would look. Sharpness, let's leave the sharpness higher. Clarity, yes. And you have your signature looking bright and clear here. You can also come here and resize this part and pull it into the middle and to the center. I selected this image and it's showing me that the image is in this color. So I'm going to go into this color and click on the color and change that color to black. And it has given my signature more weight. So even make a signature more weighty, what I usually do to mine is that I duplicate this, I duplicate again, and I select all three of them, and I go to position and position to the top and to the middle. It has given the signature more weight to it, and I'll pull this and group them. Now that we have our signature created, you want to click on share here and click on download to download your signature with a transparent background. That way when you pull the signature into a document, it doesn't have any background on it, and you hit on download to download the signature.